Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create the perfect Instagram story highlight on your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application and account, so we can now bring the iPhone into the frame. Go to the Instagram application, click on this, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile and then click on Story Highlight. Click on the square in a circle to create the best highlight. And now you can scroll through the previous photos. How do we get there? Go to your profile, the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Go to Archive. And now we see Photos and Stories. So before creating the highlight itself, we can look at all the photos. Go back once, click on Highlight, choose a couple of photos. I'll just scroll through the previous photos and choose the best photos for this IG story highlight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on Next. Edit cover. Photo 1, 2, 3. I'll just stick with the first photo itself. Or maybe the second photo. Third, yes, I'll just stick with the third photo. Click on Done. A name for the IG story highlights. I'll just say Computer Science. Yes, add. And now we have an IG story highlight. Go to Home, go to your profile. When somebody, such as a new follower, sees your profile, they will click the IG story highlight. This is what they will see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you create the perfect Instagram story highlight. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.